winning by political marketing department and Odini Juma or Tradie or your for. Doc, good morning.
Good morning, Chairman.
Now, Pomu, ya dear.
You are the more than
Yeah, the Okropon say. Madam Sir, Mampeni, the debate cost about third term and Article 62, 1 and 2, who debates near the Adeno. Yamra Ghana. Political history mokakra mona mosua de akwachiri eye very good say oman no ye betumi go beyond a second term.
Oh, akoko na mensia oman no mokoma tima no mokoma na mensia ati foro kuma se ani afam na we are sending phenomena that we are one Biano. But in Chaka, Kama, Nhyira. Let me say, Ubisaya, the Kwanswan. Now, something said, I can say, and as I for the Ushia, so I'm a customer. You saw Uncle Betty and Kunkupisa as a trading. The American Constitution, 1996 Constitution, no, Ghana, Adjune, and a was. It will say a family, a brainty, a one baby can say, and sacrament. But then, the Constitution, a constitution, a President, yeah. Yebeto about the amount who a mere imprint with the best sum for minor. The actually say Omano to about a year who she nine. So she nine na who per se was I at Wasso Estima na who party no. You are now what's about the Constitution? Constitution, no, and now there be a president, the betting at transport and Princeton. The meeting, let me say, some common and Boswano. A young command. And decline SRC. Maybe the sharing or my penny every one will be free. When you can have if we are him in Siakim, sorry, if you can any 2012. Some yam and team any being near a good bosom more. And I Ghana propose. Then I be what meaning to 120. Father, not Ghana, you be that. Sans an abaco some treasure. Would be a or some Ghana no. When you're seeing what you that it was. And it's all no Ghana forecasted. Why yet the first time Uncle Connection, and Miss O'Connor and Yellowcomb. Uncle Connection. But it's as a constitution, and nothing can say. We bit walk second term. But I be denied a press war 2020. And at 2024, Uncle Poya and Adama as Naba. And he talking constitution, not the Mimian them, and the constitution, they cannot. And he said the second term one away. Omampeni, Eddie Kayaka, is as a matter, and Komobuchi to Sumasi, and Kofubi, F4 said. baako na ɔbaa no deɛ nkɔtwam nti da ɛkwan foforɔ bi wɔ hɔ deɛ waba yi ka wɔnyɛ mmienu ntoa so ɔmampanin no abɛka sɛ wɔne deɛ ɔnim sɛ ɔwɔ 210 wayɛ baako ɛna ɔwɔ so nti ɔnkɔ bi ɛm so waka me mprɛgu so asɛ ne nsa so nkyɛn yɛn basan aka nti metumi hu ade kɔdi a nnipa bi agye wɔn ho menaa sɛ wɔn deɛ kyenkyene a sɛ ɔmampanin aka ho ɔnka yi wɔn de bɛkɔ court akɔ akɔgye mprɛmu ntɔkwa yi a wosi nnipa no a wɔko ama no no wɔso wɔn ko ntɔkwa no ɛtu ha no sɛ
ndi nka ɔmo nyae
akɔkɔ a
doc
wo na wanya asɛm ɛna mese ne ba bɛka ho asɛm ama wo se wompɛ ɛbi mekɔka asɛm ne
sɛ bi so ɔmo fi sɛ ɔmo yɛ na yɛ nsɛn na hɔ ato hɔ ama ebi afoforɔ bɛba sɛ wei na mpɛ koraa no na sɛ court nya akyerɛ mu sɛ obi tumi kɔ mprɛnsa so ebi a na obi kɔn bɛdɔ mprɛnsa no
ɛne saa no deɛ sɛ neɛ wo mmɔ ɔmampani a wɔte so di wote ase wommɔ ne di fa cancer
ne din na ɛbɛka ho no sure
ɛdeɛ na wokɔɔyɛ sɛ ebi a atekere so nso it determine the term of office of the president. BBC Yaba. Now, I say again to me, said the way that a bit in the area. Now will be MMF advantage. And you know, media and some fata. And again, you said, constitution, there's a problem with it. Into no, but kasa ni nyamu no Professor H. Pepe Constitutional Review Committee omo kan omo hwehwe mu a ananti constitution ni mu a baby any where can be that so there was a president edited them anyway. It will be card now. Almost submit to my report. He said it.
Okay.
So that's it. It is well, our court is a corporate interpretation. The interpretation of this.
Say yes.
I could put a mathematics. How will review? It will move review and that. My father said. Bibi wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ so ɔmo yɛ nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo kɔkyerɛ ɔmo adwene no na asefo unless sɛ obi mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛde Dr. H. Prempeh review the report no ɔde bɛyɛ adwuma but akɔkɔa no pɛ wo mu no yɛ sɛ yɛho examples to Cote d'Ivoire yɛho examples to Togo and some other African countries Cameroon and Africa. And Nadia, a papa. The Sawuko president. Now, Jane said, President, let me handle macroeconomic indicators. No, I'm a Ghana financial books move. I find you know your credit rating about the and I'm not into Ayado. It is who can corporate Mamma. It's more or less like a constitutional coup. Such as it.
Wow.
And that should not be done.
Right.
It should not be done.
Wow. But, Doc, looking at that, say, no, Edieno, and succeed. There is another debater, and Nam who say, Yen Shena Yen Fanko 5 years. And 5 nanka 2 terms crack 10 years to give enough time and room for say a bit to me enya the real input of Mampeni bia ye be no. That one no so no mohwe mo books mu a monim de fo no 55 yade be boy.
Ze abakosem trese ex-president for SBB officer.
Right.
That conversations about up numerous. Ankusiaga. Yesu mensu and any person here merena a call it. Again, officer. Look, the problem with presidential performance, it is not about time.
And yet time, no?
David.
Oh, okay.
It's about commitment of the president.
There's a Mampani modern bonina a breso. See a man of blessing. Okay. Okay.
I president now the Bemano. And the best say, Oberborn home they are not so
right.
Obviously. It is about Nahofama. Nahofama or what was some Ghana. Not some Ghana.
Right.
I mean, the authority will say, President should have a sense of national responsibility or manners to lead and also. Obviously. Now, why not going to say Ghana no some Ghana?
Right.
Or what's happening from Manua? Woman Africa obey judgment. What you say?
To your commitment, no?
Exactly.
Okay.
The also Niensa ASA. Will be our baby president. Who position? No, is that the Dr. Bawumia and Alamu position? Shafir to dig and understand the problems of the country. Muokawa or Mani Namu. Muamania or Mani Namu. The Busa said, oh, I need you. Is there any solution? You have a solution.
Right.
You have the competencies. You have the intelligence. You have the teamwork to deliver and solve these problems. A dual opposition, and I will prepare. So,
okay.
It's by the time I will be back on your BBC on the 7th of January. No? If it is equally, I will tackle problems to solve it. Politics and governance is about solutions. Now, what about the Aban, we are president? Now, I take you to here. I feel as an ministers every year. Are we serious as a country?
Na say ebre no aye dia man say yeso ani ina ansa no wanya sa kwanya no etimi abodi.
Form your government in opposition.
In opposition, okay. Ti wo ba no woni mo mo de ombe ya adwuma dada.
Exactly.
Okay.
And even when no kwa for bono. Ayo campaign. You the presidential candidate one and who ya so be kasa bibiri. You only become a figurehead.
Okay.
Eti who kasani do a breaker policy no, it belongs to the future agric minister.
Right.
One na obejina platforms to simply little. Na what can visioner na by no anyone who wants to move as a potential minister or work to the people.
Right. But na mekai Nhyira Fenyomakin asembi okan ye no and also any effect na mbese otie kakra bi.
Exercise. Don't do it with naked eyes. Politics is a spiritual exercise. Don't do it with naked eyes. I repeat one more time. Politics is a spiritual exercise. It's not for the naked eye. Call on your God.
Eto da bi eduru ba bi ana obete say manofo ni bi bonnum Awurade mra Awurade tene wonsa Awurade yesei no ya na said the waka no is that true say divinity and it determines success of a government?
Oh, so I say spiritual. He used the word spiritual.
Yeah.
He didn't qualify it. No cast up on someone. And then you go
Okay.
And no can say, she should have made it up. Now, if I'm Bible. Now, if I'm not here. Never agreement efa your politics and so don't care what
okay.
But the truth of the matter is this. Bible says nipa me the papa ne born esi wani so fa papa no anyankwa Moses adano no akire Israel for ne o man Israel Munchre Nyamia Musomono. Choose ye the Lord or the God that you serve. Those who are competent. And I say, sorry. Moses can say, who is on the Lord's side? Who are Nyamia family? Bra. Mention. Bible says that Levi addition of Gono in the Kujina Muslim mention. Joshua, like I said, or my Israel, Munyamia, the best of Mosom. I made a minute idiot, the Basunam. Eti, Minimberbia, minority leader, Ufiba.
The entire doc, maybe so when say. And Pimpi no se bibisi wo man mu a me fa galamsey ne de asofo ko site omunko bompaye mayena etuo ntwa atoyenche ma esi na anu ade chin ya mampani omunko bompaye ya yesi wo odi asane ne nso abe controversy ni ade and your political space na kwete se enoma bi ekosu bia no ma show na ye attach no to spiritual bi kura se enome na abeka wo man nti na ma no ma bi wo ho a ye huni. And that's why I asked you that question, say ejina nipa no the commitment to spirituality and the mass success eba na.
Oh, obviously spirituality is very important. I mean, we say some profile and say we be with my plan. So we didn't some papa I can't want a bomb with money thing. So some things to me it's and I believe that so we a politician now with the main ebemua we no many na no ebeko ya no one so dan ye tia na ni nsunto ena na kosobo area President Kufoko wani asoko ko bompaye nsunto so na nsie ye nsunto e fankrofo enkran sana meteorological department is only the best and yet is a president national day of prayer on the of Pompeo. They have said whether in the more you want trying but in Sweden if he's ready to be and said that to me on the so what I believe in is that another personal belief.
Right.
And that's okay.
Right.
But we believe that say on minor ebefanya. So we are Muslim. Na Allah wo no wo sum no the now we parliament we minister the boy.
Right.
So we Christian na wo sum Yankopon wo sum yeku Kristo na wo sum no e wo kwampa so a e wo tinedi e wo nokoni o man be family ma person so
okay
I feel that leader can be this you see within the framework of spirituality, there's protection.
Right.
Indeed, so usum name, usumala, usuno the protection of God will be upon you.
Okay.
You are protected. So,
right.
Now go one direction, and the bows and on Shema will now empty more.
Right.
And until they attack it, so the Paboni it or my anymore or money see happening. But when the righteous rule, the nation prospers.
Right. Doc, you better see no pay. It has a P.
Yes, sir.
All right. Dr. Bernard Tutu Buahin, a lecturer, University of Education, Winneba, and Otin in Kano.